Hey, today we're going to play another one of the sharper image games. This one's called God of Gun Battle, virtual reality. Here we go. We got our phone on the gun. Let's go find the app. There it is, AR gun right there. It's loading. Be sure your Bluetooth's turned on the phone so it'll find the gun. If you don't, it'll kick out and tell you. See it looking for the gun down there? The gun's spinning. That'll stop spinning just a minute and it'll find it. There it is. Found it. Okay, see across the top up there, different guns. We're using that first one, AR gun. There's 21 different games on here. We're going to play this one. God of Gun Battle, it says. There it is. Got two screens. Let's see. We'll just pick the first one here. It's loading. Alright, now as you move around, you'll see it shooting. See the red around the edge of the screen? That means I'm being hit. I better get that guy quick. Got him, alright. There's a bunch more. Ooh, look at them. Bunch of them. I'm getting them, alright. Remember when the screen starts turning red, look at it, he hit me. Uh-oh, game over. That's me on the ground. Push that little blue button and we'll start a new game. Shooting through that window right there till they come out. Get him, there we go. Oh, he's hitting me. You see the screen turn red around it? Oh, there they come out to get me. Got him. Let's get that guy now. Oh, I'm getting hit. Oh, game over. Let's try it again. One more time. Shoot him through that window. There he comes. Get him. I got him. All right. Got him too. Oh, he's hitting me. See the screen turning red? Uh-oh. I must have died. He kicked me out. Well, we're back to the phone. So, a lot of fun in this game. See you next time.